Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with What Would You Make, and it is hosted by Zana over OK at Home DIY and co-hosted by Marsha over Marsha's Mush and Stuff and Sandy over Sandy Lumbermill DIY. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. Let's get started. And this wooden kitchen sign is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this white paint, and I'm going to paint the center just like so. Now the paint is dried. I'm going to use this gems, and I'm going to stick strategically around the wooden part of the frame, just like that. So there you have it. So now I'm going to paint them white so it merges with that background of the color. My sign is all dried, and then I'm going to take this wooden spoon cutlery set from Dollar Tree, and they come 4 of each. I took one of the wooden spoon and one of the fork, and I'm going to cut it smaller little bit so that I can put my sign on the top. So I'm going to cut like this, and I'm going to paint with the black chalk paint from Dollar Tree both my wooden fork and spoon. Now I took some of this foam letter book. It has got so many letters in there, so I just took the first page and I started painting E. It's got sticker on the back, so it's easy to just stick it on the board. So I just picked E-A-T. I'm painting black chalk paint on those. So I'll let the spoons and the letters dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to use the same dry brush on the gems that I stuck, so that I wanted to highlight them and they look like nails to me. Now I'm arranging the right place where I wanted to put my spoon and fork, and I'm taking a dab of hot glue and I'm going to stick just like that the spoon, and I'm going to see where the fork goes. I'll just measure the distance between the fork and the spoon, and I'm going to do the same and have a dab of hot glue and stick the fork as well. Now my letters are also dry. I'm going to stick them as well. I saw the A needs some more paint, so I painted some more black paint on it and I let it dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to use this gray color cotton yarn around the frame. I just wanted to, give like more depth. So I'm going to stick this cotton yarn around the wooden part of the frame. So now I'm going to create a bow, and I'm thinking which one to choose, and I'm going with the small gingham print, and I created a bow and I stuck one of the white wooden bead in the center to go along with the theme of the the project, just like that. This looks pretty already, but I wanted to add some more greenery to it, so I had this piece of a greenery and I cut that into half. and stuck on either side of the ribbon, just like that. So I saw that inner part of the frame looks empty, so I thought I should also add the cotton yarn inside the frame. So there you have it. So it's ready and done. This is the final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited to share this project, and it turned out so beautiful. I'm just loving it. And this is one of the beautiful farmhouse sign from Dollar Tree, and it was a kitchen sign. And like you saw the process, I painted white in the background. I had this white wooden border around it, and I stuck the gems, and I just painted those gems with black paint just to give like a nail effect to it. And I circulated the inner border and outer border of the frame with the gray cotton twine. I had this cute wooden spoons and a fork, all the cutlery set from Dollar Tree, and I painted the black chalk paint. And I had this foam letters. I painted black again on that, and I stuck EAT, eat. And also had a gingham bow on the top with white wooden bead in the center and green on either side. And it's looking so beautiful and simple and very pretty farmhouse eat sign, kitchen sign. I'm just loving this sign, so let me know your thoughts on this. Like I always say, I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.